Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the world of tech with ease. Today we're focusing on WhatsApp, specifically how to unstar all starred messages in a specific chat. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your conversations organized, but sometimes you might want to declutter your starred messages. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. This is where all your conversations are stored, and it's where you'll find the messages you've previously starred. Once WhatsApp is open, navigate to the specific chat where you want to unstar all messages. This could be a group chat, or a conversation with a friend or family member. Next, tap on the chat name at the top of the screen. This will open a menu with various options related to the chat. Scroll down through these options until you see starred messages. Tap on this to view all the messages you've previously starred in this chat. Now, you'll see a list of all the important messages you've bookmarked. To unstar all of these messages at once, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open another menu with additional options. From here, select Unstar All. You might be prompted to confirm this action, so tap Unstar All again to proceed. By following these simple steps, you can quickly declutter your starred messages in any specific chat on WhatsApp. This feature is especially useful if you've accumulated a lot of starred messages over time and want to start fresh. Using the star feature on WhatsApp is a great way to keep important information at your fingertips without having to scroll through long conversations. However, sometimes it's necessary to clean up these bookmarks to keep your chats organized and focused on what matters most. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. We're always here to help you make the most out of your digital tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.